Well, good morning, and welcome back to the channel. Morning. How are you today? Good. So we're kicking off the morning with a fan. Yes. You know what that means. Smash that like button. Hashtag fan of a fan. We're gonna keep you in because I found all kind of goodies on the way down to this end of this cul-de-sac. So we haven't been running in this neighborhood because Phil's normally in here. It's closer to his realm, but this is also where my TV guy's at. And I had a TV for him, and he had a bunch of TVs for me. So I figured while I was in here, might as well run around and see if Phil's been out yet. It does not look like he has. So we're going to gather for a little bit until we can't find no more, and then we'll move on. Hopefully we can stuff her today. We started off with those squirrel cages. I met my goal and was able to break down all of my stuffs from yesterday. So we are not falling behind. Thank you, thank you. I know, no applause please. So let's get out and about and see what we can score today. Look at this big old fat chair. You fold up, fold up. Come on. Oh, there's how you fold up. That's how you go. When I was putting the TVs in here this morning, and these TVs bit me, or I'm sorry, the squirrel cage bit me. Pinched my finger. Not nice. If you asked me, I would have said this was a Dyson, based on the color and the shape, but it's not a Dirt Devil. A cordless Dirt Devil. Dang it. Someone been through here. Oh yeah, what a score. Remember when I did this and I broke my butt? Yeah, let's not do that today. All right, let's go. Not sure if someone's running here already or it's just very late day. One of the twos. $1 million. We got some guys that are blow moldish. I don't know. This guy's cracked. This guy's got a busted nose. This guy's missing his light now. I'm not doing the blown word thing, sorry guys. Steel. Steel. Ooh, no, there's nice copper bits on there though. All these straps in here. Oh, I thought that was a motor for a second. I don't feel like dealing with that rusted parts, but we'll take the copper. Come on. Come on, you can do it. In a grill. Oh, little bits. Yeah. And some bed rails, which is always nice to see. Look at this. See? We pack well. You're not rewarded for it though. We're gonna keep these? I don't know, we'll see. We'll see at the end of the day. We still have 3 sets at the house. We might not. Let's go. Not sure if this is metal or plastic. We gotta check. Oh yeah, you're metal. Give yourself a bumper. You never know. You never know what you're gonna get with car parts. Is that? That's not gonna be. I didn't think so. Let's go. We're definitely getting some fresh air today. That's about it though. It is kind of dismal out here. I don't know what's going on. My houses that normally make great garbage are not making garbage this week. Onward! Nothing crazy, but I saw some stuff sticking out of this garbage can here. Looks like we'll have a little table too. Yeah, toaster. Ooh, a rice cooker with the rice still included. I don't want the rice though. You guys can keep the rice. Nasty, nasty. No tree still. Uh-oh. Could we go treeless today? What is today? I don't even know what the date is. 13, 14, 15, somewhere in there. We need to find a tree. And no sooner do we wish for a tree, we find a free tree or garbage. Looks like they added some lights to it this year too. It clearly has a lot of light issues. We're gonna have to strip these off when we get to the yard. So I think they'll come off pretty easy. I don't believe these are original lights on here. Sweet, we got our tree. Oh, and by the way, today's the 17th. That's how far off I was. Wow. Ooh, we'll take the frame. We're not gonna be able to take really the other part though. It's got a little foam on it, but it's got a really heavy frame on it. We'll call it a chair bed. Oosh. This was like, what do you call it? An adjustable bed, maybe? Ooh, you're falling through. That's not good. Get out of there. Why is everybody fighting me? Stop bending, boy. Hoo-yah. New and improved walls. Sweet. In this, you can go with the other guy. Let's go. Here we go. Are you gonna be aluminum, maybe? Come on, be aluminum. Ooh, you're light enough to be aluminum. But you're steel. Yes. Helium steel. Oh, you stinkers. Ay, Chihuahua. We're gonna put you back here for now. Put you up front. We've got something back here to keep you from rolling down. Well, I would have parked a little closer if I would have realized that these were metal, but it was too late. I'm gonna have to make one trip out of this. Oosh. I did find a basketball hoop too, but it was on the main drag in here, so I just grab and go. It wasn't the whole kit and caboodle. It was just the hoop in the backboard. I know why it's light out here, because I done seen another scrapper. I've never seen him before either. He didn't have much, but he's got stuff, which means he's picking up. Oh, I got some other bad news too. So yesterday, I went to O'Reilly to turn in the 2 batteries I was supposed to turn in on Friday, and he said, these are your last batteries. We're not allowed to take the small ones anymore. He's like, we only can take car batteries. So that lime, lemon, orange, whatever, has been squeezed as much as we could squeeze it, but it was good while it lasted. What we got here, is this a dehumidifier or air conditioner or what? I'm gonna guess an air conditioner. Nope, too late. It is a air purifier. Perfect placement. Well, this neighborhood's a little bit better, so I guess he hadn't been over here yet. Got a little dirt devil. Little floor fan. I wonder if you work. I still haven't been able to extract my fan back from my son yet. He done stole my fan for his room. I need to get a replacement. Oh, we got a tester. We got a tester, and we'll keep you guys in, because you guys... Morning, how are you? Ooch. Give you a test. Uh-oh, I'm not blocking you, am I? What's that, man? Anything metal.
What days you come by?
I come by every, what's today, Tuesday? I can give my card too, in case you have some stuff on off days. Yeah, the TVs are predominantly plastic, but my yard will take them, and I've got a guy that fixes them, so as long as the screen lights up.
Yeah, I think I have another TV and stuff. I have other stuff, but I will call you and let you know, because if I leave them outside, they'll make it.
Yeah, yeah, just give me a holler and I'll come get it. I appreciate you. Thank you. She knows how it goes. Put it outside, someone else will steal it. Come on, baby, light up. Come on, you can do it. Yes. Thank you. $10 bill. All right, let's go. All right, guys. Pretty terrible day. Oh, that's not a setup. Thought there was a magnet for a second. I was going to re-up on my magnet. It was a caster for the bottom of the thingamabobber, though. Look how empty this yard is. They got everything cubed up. Try and get it out of here. And nobody's bringing this stuff in because ain't nobody got anything. So I went back to the house, picked up this pool heater that's been sitting in there for like 100 years now. So we're gonna turn the copper into Jeffy to help make the day a little bit yummier, because today was just not our day. But just to remind you, we are gonna start posting our shorts with our joke of the day. So make sure to go over and check those shorts out. I'll give you a free one because my brother sent me this one. It might have been my sister, I forget who sent it. We're all on the same thread, but why did the chicken go to the gym? to work on his pecs. That's a free one. Ugh. Rest up, you gotta go over to the shorts. What is that? Oh, that's the... I was like, I don't remember getting this. I do remember getting it. It's the air purifier. Yeah, everybody's stuck in here. We got a truck there, I got a truck there. We're all stuck in the yard. It's not my fault this time. Of course, we don't got much in here, but it's all stuck in here quite a bit. That's plastic. Come on, Hoop. Come on, Hoop. What is going on here, dude? Everybody tangled up. Whoa. Whoa. Come on. Whew. Microwaves from yesterday. Steel. I was going to take the lights out of these, wasn't I? I think I was going to cut this off like this. Wow, we didn't find much. It's still been a long day. Trying to find stuffs. At least some of the stuff we found was heavy. Ugh. Like you. Oosh. So what do you think? What do you guys think on these bed rails? We only have two. We'll keep them. Keep them. We got to get the other ones listed. My goal is to get at least 3 things listed on either Marketplace or eBay on a daily basis. If I can do that, I think we can start selling some stuff. Whoosh. See, I'm better than that kicker last night. You guys watch that game last night? Guy couldn't make an extra point to save his life. 4. He missed 4. I can kick that good. I can miss them. I would take his NFL minimum salary to miss field goals. Oh. I know, I said I wasn't going to do it, but it was almost all already done. What is this guy doing? Got the whole yard and he's going to come belly up next to me. Got the whole dang yard. I know, but the whole yard's wet. All right. See you guys over at Jeffy's. Let's do some NFJ. He knows we go this way, right?
Yeah.
Last guy was in here backwards.
I spoke to Jim a little bit yesterday about a channel. He's kind of iffy about it.
Oh yeah?
Yeah.
Come on, Jim.
Well, he's like, oh, I'm afraid for insurance reasons, you know, all the dumb you guys do. Because now I'm going to have to edit that out because of Mikey. I learned about that from Mikey.
What's that?
You're swearing that you have to rate,
You don't have to.
but people don't like it.
You're not considered family friendly if you have curse words in there. You can say whatever you want.
Yeah.
I just don't, so that way anybody that wants to watch can watch.
Well, he said mainly his subscribers are like 55 and up.
Yeah, my basically like 85% of my subscribers are 45 plus, or they're watching it with their grandkids or things like that. So I try to keep it as G as possible. Oh.
I would have to do 1 and 1. It's on 2.
1 and 1. Oh. It don't matter. It's a difference of what, 10 cents? Ouch. Oh crap.
If it hits the ground, it's ours.
Oh, okay.
You should have how many crutches I get.
How many crutches?
Yeah, if you haven't done that yet. Each crutch weighs like 2 pounds.
Come on, 100 pounds.
You're a strong person.
22. All these people are telling me that a pool heater has 30 to 50 pounds of copper in it. Where do they tell? Where does that number come from? That was a huge, that was as big as,
That's how big it is.
that was as big as they get.
Really? Well, that was 57 dollars.
I know, but it was only 22 pounds. Where is this 30, 40 pounds I've been promised?
I promise you. How long did it take to take that apart?
No, it was a lot quicker than I thought. I took my axe to it.
Got some aggression now? Demo day.
See? That's why they're like that. See, once you get one side off, you can it just rips out the other. No.
Your axe?
Use his doll as a. It's more like a sharp sledge. It's not really an axe.
Oh, that's a ball.
What?
It's a ball.
A maul?
Yeah.
What's a maul?
Well, you can use that to split wood, or you like sledge hammer.
So it's like it's not sharp, but it's sharp enough. It'll do work. Oh,
Christmas light?
yeah, baby, I'll give you these. That's like.
I made a box of them this morning.
Oh, this is like 3 pounds, probably.
Roughly.
2 pounds, 3 pounds.
About 2.5 pounds apiece.
What do you got? 22? 0? 3?
I dropped 2 pounds. I'm gonna get you back up. This is a good day.
Yeah, thanks to the pool heater.
Does the pool heater have a compressor?
We'll do it. We'll take it.
Does it have a compressor?
Was that?
Unit?
No.
So what is
It had those coils, and then down the bottom, I thought it was going to be stainless steel. It had like metal ribs, but they're magnetic.
Oh, another question. Have you noticed that your light bill is going up and up and up and up?
My what?
Your light bill, your power bill.
I don't pay attention to that stuff.
Well, mine was $347 last month.
Uh-huh.
$532 this month.
Really?
Yeah.
Is that the amount of power used, or is that the price of power going up?
I don't know. That's the thing. I think the price of power is going up.
You should look. You can see how many
And it shows
kilowatt
that
hours you used.
167 for fuel. I don't have fuel. I don't have natural gas.
Right.
So,
I would call them. They might have.
hearing them.
Sometimes they read your stuff wrong, and you get like, and they'll fix it the following month. Occasionally, I've had it happen once where they like read the meter wrong.
Yeah.
But now all the power, I think, are like,
Digital.
they shoot it, like they don't even read it, they just like laser it or something.
Yeah, it's concerning.
Yeah. Well, I've got solar too, so I don't, my power bill's not very high even when it's high, because the solar offsets it. Yeah, but it's the same.
It's the same as your light bill?
It's the same as it's always been. I mean, that doesn't change. That's where part of the savings of solar comes from, is because the price of power should go up over time, and your payment doesn't change.
But I think it's kind of a big jump. I'm curious what your subscribers are doing across the country, if they're experiencing
We'll see.
price jumps and stuff like that.
We'll ask them.
Well, that's a big price jump.
No, it is.
Almost
I would check and see if they raise the price or whether it's the kilowatt hours
it was
used.
like 9.87 cents per kilowatt hour.
Yeah, but see what it was when it was lower, whether it's changed.
I think at this time last year it was in the 2 range.
2?
Yeah.
And now it's 9?
5.
5. Okay.
Yeah, that's a huge jump.
Yeah,
Yeah.
that is. That's worse than gas.
Yeah.
Kev's out back. He'll be around.
Who is?
Kev.
I feel like talking to him.
Yeah. I ran into him in the street. I'm like, I'm not finding anything. I said, I'm gonna go try part of my Wednesday route. He's like, I want to run the other half of Wednesday route then. So he ran just to see if he could find it. He didn't find a whole lot either.
Start a channel for tonight, go on YouTube. Create it.
Make it. You can still have, even if you don't have content up, I can still send subscribers to you. So when you put content up, they can view it.
Like the veil, you know.
Yeah, you can still do stuff in here without issue.
Yeah, without. Like when I drive out here, I gotta go
Yeah.
on around and see you guys at the pile. And,
Yeah.
You know.
All right, send me the link when you've got it. I said, send me the link when you've got it, and I'll get it out for you. All right, brother. It's not hard. It takes 2 seconds to set it up, man. See you tomorrow, man. Alrighty, guys, we're waiting paid. We ran into Kevin. He was headed into the yard, and he said he didn't find a whole lot out there. He ran part of his Wednesday route too, because that's what I told him I was going to do when I saw him on the street. And he didn't find much either. It's just one of them days, I guess, where scrap is lean, and that's the way it goes. See, in Florida, I can understand up north people having a rougher time because they got the cold, they got the snow, but for us, it doesn't really change from day to day. But there's going to be days that people just don't have anything to put out, and that was the case today. Thankfully, we did cheat again. We ran home at lunchtime and grabbed the pool heater and grabbed some other tidbits to try to increase our pay. So let's jump into the receipt. Irony Light. This is some stuff that I brought to Jeff from the house. I actually brought it to Jeff before we did the tin. Irony Light, 12 pounds, 20 cents a pound for $2.40. Clean aluminum, 48 pounds, 36 cents a pound for $17.28. And then we went into the shred pile and turned in all the stuffs we found today. Actually, I'm shocked. We found 920 pounds. So we did almost 1,000 pounds still. And we didn't turn in our bed rails. I bet if we turn in all those bed rails, we would have been really close to 1,000 pounds. That pool here helps too, because they're pretty heavy, even once you take the copper out of there. So it's $9.20, 6 cents a pound, $55.20. And then we had some clean aluminum, some dirty aluminum, not much, just a pound of each. 36 cents and 20 cents again for 36 cents and 20 cents. What did he give me number 2 on? Oh, that's computer wire. I thought it said number 2 copper. It's not. It's insulated copper. Okay, number 1 copper is what I got on the pool copper element. We banged that out of the pool heater before we turned it in. 22 pounds, 260. That's up. Because I want to say that was 250 originally before. So that's the pool heater, 57.20 for the heating elements. Pretty sweet. And then we had some Christmas tree lights, which is insulated computer wire. 2 pounds, 26 cents a pound for 52 cents. For a grand total today of $133.16. So we beat our number because we cheated. If you don't have that extra aluminum from the house, you don't have the copper, we're probably closer to 60 bucks, I'm guessing. So sometimes you just gotta, if you're not cheating, you're not trying, is what they say in NASCAR, right? So we made it work, so we still did all right today. But anyway, we got rid of that pool heater from the backyard. That'll make Mom happy. So now I'm going to run home. I'm going to try to get my stuff listed. Like I said, I'm trying to get 3 to 5 items listed that are either going to go on Marketplace or eBay. It doesn't matter to me which one they get listed on, because I think all the stuff that I have, I know where I want to list it. I just need to make to make it happen. So hope you enjoyed the trip. It was going to be a quickie. And make sure to go see the shorts. Go see those jokes. I'm going to do some other elements as well, but I'm definitely going to do the joke of the day, because that's easy enough that I can get that done and can make sure it happens every day. And we'll see if the shorts makes any difference or not. We'll see. Can't hurt, right? So make sure to smash that thumbs up if you haven't already. Please consider subscribing if you're not already a subscriber. And it's Nacho Stuff! But that'd mean you can't take someone else's trash and turn it into cash. So until tomorrow, be safe, be happy, and I'll see y'all then.